Good morning, Coach Slack. That is morning bird feeding. This will probably definitely be the last one. Decided to take you guys on a virtual tour, actual moving tour. So see some of the sights and scenes. Beautiful sunrise today. Nice view to the west towards Cannonsburg from 84. There's the view. See the birds. As I feed, I get about 2 or 3 posts away and they start coming in. It's always the blue jays first usually. They say they're very intelligent birds, and then they're very loud obviously too, but they their sounds let the other birds know that there's something going on, either danger or food, so it's a good thing. The barn where the original little mat room was for the Slack pack. Of course, I say a prayer at every post. See down to the chapel there, off in the distance, that little white roof and the red bricks way down in the center of the screen there, between the 2 trees. See the birds. There are some mornings where I'll turn around and every single post will have birds on it. It's kind of cool. I always skip the one with the satellite. I don't want the birds around that. Alright, now we're coming to the south side of the yard. See the generator, the liquid propane, in case we ever lose power. That kicks on automatically. It's really cool. Alright, turning east here. All Mikkel soccer setups from all the years of playing club soccer and travel soccer and local soccer and now school soccer. It's pretty cool. Little roses, little rose garden. Toward the east here. My prayers at the post are usually the Jesus prayer. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Lord Jesus Christ, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. There we see a tuft titmouse waiting for me. There he goes. Very nice. Look back. There he is. Tuft titmouse. Lots of blue jays so far. There's some cardinals coming in. They're more shy. I don't get them on my videos too much, my stationary videos, because they'll wait till usually wait till the blue jays and the blackbirds and things clear out, or they'll find a spot where it's not so crowded. They seem to hang out and eat. Yeah. Beautiful sunrise. Slight clouds. This is the east side of the yard. Starting to turn north. some of the blackbirds. We have crows, we have sterlings, we have tricolored blackbirds. See a lot of recently. Brown-headed cowbirds. So lots of black colored birds in the area. And we have the cardinals, red, and the blue jays, and the eastern bluebirds, and the northern parulas, all being blue. See yellow goldfinches. They usually come out later with the yellow color. The orioles will have the orange bodies with the black. That way's the east side. Looking at the south side there. You can see near the lilac there, all the birds starting to come in. Alright. This is kind of our views in all directions. I start out every morning, wake up, do my matanias, give thanks for a new day, a new opportunity to be better today than I was yesterday, hopefully. I fail a lot at that, but I keep trying. Then I'll read my epistle and gospel from goarch.org. And usually eat a banana, drink of water, piece of fruit, some water, definitely some water. Alright, so here's the yard, there's the fire pit, some of the lilacs, east side. Then that's by the time I get done with all that, that's when I make it outside. I'll tidy up some things, around the yard if I see some fallen limbs or something. Start slowly preparing for the work of the day, the yard work. Feed the birds. And then I'll come over here. During these cold mornings, I'll wait a little bit longer to feed the fish. Still work in progress here, but I got some koi fish you see down here. Koi fish. I had a raccoon get in here the other day, so I had to clean it up a little bit. He tore up, made a big mess. Then I gotta hook up my rain barrels. This gets eventually fed with the rain and recirculated. And I'll feed the koi, and then or if it's a cooler morning like this, I'll wait till I come back from my morning prayer walk. To feed the fish. And that's about it on the feeding the birds. Afterwards, I head down into this area. You can see all the birds. If I don't pull out the camera and I move a little slower and quieter, they'll tend to be a little bit less skittish around me. But that's the area where I'll be heading. You guys seen all the exercise forest. That's this direction where I do all the exercising in the woods, the morning prayer walks. And then I'll return home, where I would do a morning reading. So usually right now it's the Old Testament, Septuagint version. Get into my day's work, lunch, see what the family needs, get into that. And then my afternoon reading, right now currently is St. Isaac of Syria. Maybe watch some TV, these types of things. Alright, stay strong, stay stable, stay safe. 10 minutes into the morning routine here outside.